Welcome to National Laboratories. You will be greeted by one of our customer service professionals. Our experienced phlebotomist will draw your blood for testing on our top-of-the-line instrumentation. A quality result depends on a quality sample collection. Here, the technologist is preparing and staining a slide from the CBC blood tube so that it can be reviewed under the microscope. We often review the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets microscopically to check for the proper size and shape. Any abnormalities are referred to our lab director, Dr. Harold Alvarez, to review and assist the patient's physician in making a diagnosis. The technologist is using the Beckman ACT5 instrument to measure the total number and size of the blood components. For addiction recovery, the AU400 will be used to run a preliminary screen on urine from a person who is suspected of taking illicit drugs and to monitor their progress. This instrument can run 400 tests per hour. And if you order a comprehensive lipid or chemistry panel, we can perform the tests on the AU480. The instrument can run 800 tests per hour. Our lab director is approving the validation on the AU480, a necessary step to ensure the quality of our results. Urine samples for toxicology must be prepared with an enzyme first to remove the proteins before they are analyzed by the mass spectrometer. The mass spec detects the presence or absence of specific drugs, either prescribed or illicit. Prepared samples are being loaded into the instrument. This is a state-of-the-art Shimadzu liquid chromatography mass spec, LCMS for short. It can separate the compounds by molecular size and mass, so it will detect only the drug or compound that we are looking for. Completed specimen tubes are stored in the refrigerator for several days or weeks in the freezer. Dr. Andrea Barthwell, medical advisor, is in the lab today to gather information and research with Dr. Alvarez, the laboratory's role in addiction services and recovery. National Labs is certified by the Agency for Healthcare Administration and CLIA under the federal agency CMA. Our staff are all certified in Florida with a rich background of experience in the areas of hematology, chemistry, immunology, endocrinology, toxicology, and urinalysis.